On today's video, chocolate cheesecake. Now let me show you how to make it whole food, plant-based, and oil-free. Into a food processor, I'm going to add 1 cup of rolled oats, a tablespoon of nuts. I'm using walnuts, and I'm going to process this till it's minced. Then I'm going to add some dates. I'm using 3 dates. And you want this to clump up together, kind of like a dough. I'm going to transfer this crust into my preferred molds. I'm going to be using silicone cupcake molds, and then I'm also going to be using 1 large 6-inch springform pan. For our cheesecake filling, a blender. I'm going to add 922 grams of white sweet potato. I'm going to add 2/3 of a cup of soy milk. Here I have some cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons, and then I have 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar. Here I have some ganache. I'm just going to stir it so it can temper. Alright, so I'm going to add it into the blender with the rest of the ingredients. Blend this until smooth. Now I'm going to add the filling into my mold cups and into my cheesecake mold. Now, you have the option to bake this, which is what I'm going to do. You also have the option to bake it in a water bath. And then you also have the option to let it set overnight in the refrigerator. This recipe is very versatile and you can do it in different ways. But the way I did it was bake it. I baked it slightly and it tasted like a baked cheesecake. But you can also just let it set and it tastes kind of like a set pudding. It's not that set, but if you bake it, it does set a little bit more. Here I have a combination of peanut butter, date syrup, and peanuts, and I'm just gonna add it to the top before I bake it. You can also make this into a lovely pudding. And once they're ready, they make these elegant cheesecakes. These are great for gatherings, celebrations, birthday parties, and so on. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.